here is our GenStone project. We went with the iron ore color, something a little different than what we would normally go with, but it turned out pretty nice. Very easy to install, very easy to cut. Used a jigsaw for this. Found that was the easiest and cleanest way to get a nice clean cut, especially up on the angle closest to the ceiling. Again, everything very easy to install. Went in very smoothly. I think overall turned out very nice.